All right, guys, here's Jonathan, and we are going to break down what we did in class today. First thing we did is our single, single, double, single, single, double, okay? We're going to add all that stuff later, but I want you guys to understand the progression of how we first do it, okay? Before we do the first single, single, double, remember how we just bounced, right? And the key was what? We want to remember that the center of your body is going down on the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then what we want to do is to be able to just bounce on one side, okay? So just do the double, double, double. Now we're going to go single, single, double. Single, single, double. The key really is to give you guys practice on how to progress. If you already jump into the last thing, it's really easy to mess things up, right? It's kind of like you're in martial arts.
Yeah.
So you know, you don't start with black belt. It doesn't make sense. You start with your white belt and you progress. You have to pass the test, and you get to the next level, which is yellow and whatever color, okay? So you slowly get into it. It's really ridiculous for us to say, hey, one class, now you're ready to do all this right away. No. So that's why we want to start with single, single, double. Don't even worry about the arms, okay? So I would say try that until you really feel comfortable. Do it until like you can probably, call somebody on the phone. And then just focus on the conversation and just still in rhythm, okay? So once we break that down, we're gonna do the arms, right? Arms, we have punch, you can punch through, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So don't focus on the leg, we're gonna focus on the arms. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the opposite side, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's just focus on the arms all the way from 1 to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So even then we kind of have to focus, right? Like, okay, right arm, left arm, and switch. Okay. But do that over and over again, it becomes a little bit more instinctual. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Let's do arms and legs together. For sure. And in place, we don't have to worry about traveling forward, backwards. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So I would say do that a few more times, before you travel up and down. Now when you're ready, we're gonna go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Here we go. Hope I don't mess up. If I do, we'll do it again. I'm gonna keep it 2, I'm not gonna cut it. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! One take. All right, that's good. So we got our single, single, double. Now the next part is our kicks and our little crab move. Okay. So again, just the kicks. You're gonna kick. We're gonna start with the right leg. We always start with the right in our class. 6, 7. Just kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Notice the and count, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that one more time. Just the legs. Starting with the right. 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. So far that's good. I think most of you guys, when we did it in class, no problem. Now when we jump to the side, we have 3 and 4 and 5. Right when I do the 5, I'm going right to my right side. Okay? So I'm gonna go, let's kick from the 1, and we're gonna go right into the 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's start over here so you don't share the wall. Thank you. So 1, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. On the 8, we're gonna just jump up together. Okay? Again, we're not going about the arms right now. Make sure we can do the legs good. And when we're practicing at home, just do it without music. Do it with your count. You gotta do it with your count. Make sure your counting is on rhythm. You don't wanna be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So that's not on rhythm, okay? That's your mind thinking, But you just want to be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and if you mess up, start over, okay? But keep the same rhythm, okay? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 7. 8. Good. We're gonna go the opposite way. 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. So the leg itself, most of you guys have no problem. Now when we throw in the arms, it's a little bit dicey, but that's all right. Let's give it a try. So I want to focus on the legs. Legs is right. So opposite arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where it gets tricky, right? Because the arm doesn't stay opposite. It's opposite, opposite, and then same. Okay? And we're doing one of these things. I don't know. We still don't have a good name for this, but it's more like, oh, it's wax on, wax off, right? Wax on, wax on, wax on, I guess. Chop, chop, wax on. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when we get right into the 5, again, you're gonna push out, push, and so it's gonna be out and in and out. Okay? So let's give it a try. From the kick, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. On the 8, we're gonna clap up. Okay. Okay. So that's good. Let's put that together. We're gonna go to the right side and back to the left side. So usually, even with me, after I go this, I have to consciously tell myself, left leg. Because it's really easy. When you get up, it's easy to go that way again. So I have to consciously tell myself, left, left. And I go left. Okay? So right side and left side. Ready, Jonathan? Yes, sir. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Left. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Ooh. Very good, good. We're good. So now the hard part is putting it all together. We got the front, back, then the kicks. So total of 4 8 counts, legs and arms together. Okay? Let's try it one more time without music. Then we try it with music. 5, 6. Yes. From the single double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it. Kick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Yes. Nice. Good. Music time.